Hello and welcome back to Alita Cooks. Today I have a sardine recipe for you, for those of you that like sardines. First, you're going to start with a can of sardines in canola oil, which you will be draining out. Onions cut up in ringlets, salt, black pepper, tomato sauce, olive oil, and red cooking wine. Let's get started. In low to medium heat, add the olive oil, about a quarter cup. Once it's hot, you're going to add the onions. You're going to cook the onions until they are translucent. You're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Never too much in the beginning. You will later taste the sauce and see how it is. If you need to add more, you can always do at the end. I'm gonna stir around the onions and let them cook. They are translucent now. Ready to add the tomato sauce. Give it a nice stir. Add in the red cooking wine, about a quarter cup. You're going to let this sauce cook for a little bit. I'm adding a little more salt and pepper because I did taste the sauce and it needed a little more for my taste. You're going to cover it, cook it for a little bit into a low boil. There we have a lovely low boil. Tomato sauce cooked through. The onions are beautiful. The smell is beautiful. Then we're almost ready for the presentation of our sardines. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I thank you all that have subscribed. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I will be putting videos once or twice a week. Have a great week, everyone, and thank you for watching.